Thank you for tuning in today. My name is Cody, and today we'll be discussing the process of accessing our files and photos through the Construction Online mobile app. Now, to begin, you'll need to open up the mobile app and log in. And once you have done that, we'll want to scroll down on our feature list until we see files and photos. Now, mine's at the top, so I'm not going to have to scroll too far. And once we're here, we'll see three different file options: project files, which we'll save for last, our My Files, and our company files. Now, the My Files and company files are going to be company-wide file storage. The My Files specifically are going to be your personal file storage in Construction Online. No one else in the company will have access to that, and the company files will be a shared storage system for any files and photos amongst any company employees. Now, to start, we'll look in My Files, and once we click there, it'll open up My Files and Photos. I can add new files and photos or folders by clicking on the orange plus button in the bottom right hand corner, and you'll see you'll have the ability to add a folder, add an album, or upload a file. I can also take photos from the mobile app as well as upload photos from my camera roll. Now, that is going to be our My File section, so I'm going to go back, and now we'll look at the Company File section. Now, there's not going to be much difference here outside of who all can access it. You still have the orange plus button in the bottom right-hand corner, and the ability to add a folder, add a photo album, upload a file, upload any photos, or take a photo. Now, the final file storage system is going to be project files. Now, the reason I saved this one for last is because when we click into the project files, it's going to ask us which project we want to work in. So I'm going to choose the top one here in my favorites. And now you'll see that will pull up all the folders that are already here. If there were any freestanding files or photos, they would be visible as well. Now, if we wanted to click into one of these folders, I can do so, and now you'll notice I go into another folder, and then I can click into that one, and now I can add files and photos again by hitting the orange plus button, and now we have the ability to add another folder, upload a file, upload a photo, or take a photo. Now, if you wanted to move to a different set of project files, once you're already in one, now we'll just hit the company or the project name at the very top, change into a different project, and now I can click project files again, and now we're working in a different set of project files and photos. Now that concludes today's tutorial. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out using the live chat or by searching the knowledge base. And as always, have a fantastic day.